Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a look at the Teckin Smart Light Strips. So we have played with smart light strips before, but we've never really installed them in our house, so this is going to be fun. So here's the box. It's the Teckin Smart Light Strip SL07.
And that's important, by the way, because they come in different lengths.
Oh, okay, so this is a certain length. How long is it?
I think this is 16 feet, but let's take a look when we open the box.
Oh, I'm having trouble opening the box. So here we go. All right. Okay. So here's the box. So here's the light strips. Geez, this is long. It's in a spool. I guess we're going to open
You want a
this up.
scissors? Or do they give a thing to open it? Let's see, maybe it opens.
It looks like it's a resealable bag.
Wow.
So this is actually 2 sets of light strips. They're in little spools.
2?
Well, they're 2. Yeah.
All right. So that's 2 light strips.
Cool.
What does it say? Anything exciting?
It's got a RoHS compliance sticker.
Well, that's important to be a RoHS compliant.
It is. Here they are.
Now, here we
They've
go.
got
All right, how long
sticky
is it?
tape on the back.
Oh, it's got a connector here too. See that? I don't know if
Okay.
anybody can see that little connector. I'll zoom in on this. All right.
All right. So you think
And
they're
you're right,
plugged
3M
together?
sticky tape and pretty lightweight. And it looks like, let's see. If you look closely, I think you can cut these as well.
Yeah, you can cut them. There's a little scissor
spot, right?
spot right here.
Yeah, where the 2 tabs come
Where
together.
the 2 tabs come together.
So I wonder if they have a connector in
So we
there
can
somewhere.
probably trim those sides. So let's roll this guy back up.
Are you sure you want to roll? Okay, I'll leave it here.
I'll leave it there. And it's got the Smart Light Strip user manual and shows you how to use it. Interesting. Okay, here you go.
All right, user manual. Lots of directions. Have it right side up, right side up. And then it looks like it's in a second language on the back.
All right.
All right,
Looks
so
like
we
it's in
we
several
can,
languages.
In several languages. There we go. Okay, that's
Okay.
great news. Okay, so that's good.
I'm not sure what these are.
Lots and lots of instructions.
All right, it comes with its own remote. I guess you can also use it with the Smart Life app, but it also has a remote that goes with it. This is kind of a cute little remote. It's got a whole lot of colors here. So it's got a whole range of red, green, blue. So if you decide you want to make your light strips purple, you can just click the purple right on this little remote.
That's it, huh?
So on and off, and I don't know what W means.
Oh, probably white light.
Oh,
You know, like make it all white
all white. Okay,
instead of in color.
red or yeah.
So that's neat. Okay.
And here's the power cord.
And let's see. Oh, and the little plastic thing to pull it out for the battery. That's good. Power adapter. Okay, I'll need that in a minute.
And this is the Wi-Fi controller.
Oh, I can tell you how that works.
Oh, all right.
I cheated and I looked ahead at the directions. So basically, you notice we have 2 light strips, and these are 2 connectors. So what happens is, you take this, and you plug it into here, like this.
Oh, so
And
there's 2 rolls of light strips. But
2
there's
rolls of light
one
strip.
Wi-Fi connector.
Exactly. So then you just take this, and somehow you push it in, like that, and it's connected, and then you take the other light strip and you connect it up here.
Oh, cool.
So then you can actually control 2, and then this here gets plugged into on the power strip.
All right.
Does
Oh,
that make
so
sense?
it's all in the same power strip.
So you want to try it? Anything else in the box?
Oh, this other thing, I don't know what these are.
Okay. All right, so these here are for connecting up. And anything else in the box?
Nope, box is
Let's
empty.
put that out that way. And we can see all this stuff that's in here. So they give you a whole bunch of parts to play with. I better save that bag. So clips to
Oh, clips to clip it on.
clip it on. So we were wondering about that.
Yeah.
And then these things here are to connect up multiple strips. So it's like a bridge. If you look at it, there's like pins in here, and you can just connect it onto it.
Okay.
And then there's some snaps here that I'm sure go on the other end, like right here. See, like this?
Oh, I
So
see.
once you connect it, you just push that on and clamp it, and then it stays
Oh.
on, right? So if
Okay.
you're looking at, well, I've already put that together, but does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yep. And then a whole bunch of extra 3M tape.
Sticky
So,
tape. in
all
case we
sorts
need
of
to move it.
all sorts of stuff that we'll end up losing over time, I'm sure.
Right.
Let's try it. Want me
Yeah,
to try
let's
it out?
try it out.
Yeah, let's try it out. So
Here.
I don't need the scissors. Let me get the power strip here, or the power connector. Okay, get ready because this is going to come shining on in a second here. This one here, and it has an LED sensor here. I think we'll see if that. I think that's to tell you if it's on. So let's see. Actually, you know what? Let's check the directions because is that a motion sensor? No, I can't believe it. Must be just a indicator that we're powered up. So let me.
Infrared transmitter is what it says.
Oh, you know what that's for?
The remote.
The remote. What'd you do with the remote?
It's right here.
It almost the remote.
I won't.
All right, so that's good. Good thing you're here because I didn't know what it was.
Right.
And we have lights. Okay.
So if I pull the battery tab, you think it works?
We'll try it. Ooh, look at that.
Green, red, blue.
I wonder if I could see this better if I do this.
Purple. Purple looks the same. Orange, neat.
Yeah, very cool.
Yellow. White made it white. You're right about that. Now they're white. Huh, I don't know what that is.
Is there an intensity? Oh, it's strobing, look.
Oh, I see.
It's slowly changing color.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah,
Cool.
that's pretty neat. Okay, so now the question is, how do we hook it up to the app?
Well, you can scan this barcode in the directions.
Yeah, but I already have the app.
You already have the Smart Life app, so.
So you don't have to. Why don't you show them this barcode thing?
There's a little barcode here. There's also a barcode on the other side of the box.
Yeah, so I've already installed the app because we've already installed the Teckin Smart Dimmer Switch. So now let's see what happens. So we're gonna put it in. Well, we're gonna put it in the kitchen, right?
Yeah.
All right. So we go to At My Home, Home Management. Go to At My Home. We'll say Room Management. Add a room, and then we say Kitchen. Is it already one of the ones they give you? Yes. Okay. So we say Kitchen. Save that away. All right. And we go to the kitchen, and we can add devices, but we don't need to right now because guess what? We've already put that in the other room. And now we'll come back to the home and we'll go to kitchen and we'll say add device. All right, so that's pretty cool. And then we have to find the LED light strips. So look, there's so much stuff here. It's just it's amazing how much is on this app, how many things they have. But if I look at lighting and I look at it, there's a thing for light strips.
Oh, there you go.
And I'll put this up on the screen.
Except they're called strip lights.
Oh, you're right. It is called strip lights. Okay, well, I guess we've been calling it the wrong thing all the time. All right, so here we go. And we just have to connect it up to our network. And it says reset the device first. If the light is blinking fast, skip to the reset. Power on, power off. Oh, this is exciting. How many times? On. It says turn on, off, on, off, on. All right, let's see what happens here. On, off, on, off, on. Is it blinking? I don't know if it's blinking or not. We'll see.
Yes, kind of.
All right, it says it's blinking. So I'll say it's rapid. There we go. It's rapid. It said wait 6 to 8 seconds in the thing. So we're going. I'll hit next. It says adding the device, so that's good. All right. Let's make sure we have a good Wi-Fi signal. It's pretty neat, huh?
Yeah.
All right, and then we wait forever for the thing to connect up.
Well, it's 15% done.
It's done. It means it's still scanning for devices.
Oh.
But the light has gone solid.
Okay, so that's progress.
That's probably progress. I hope. It is progress. It's registering with the cloud. Initializing the device.
There it
Okay,
is.
and it says added device strip. That's it, and it's done. I can change it, so I can say kitchen smart light strip. Is that what we want to call it?
Sure.
Yeah, that sounds good. All right, so we name it. We're done. That's it. Now check it out. There's this really cool app. It's got a screen with color, so I can move the color wheel. Theoretically, it's supposed to do something.
It did.
Did it do it?
Yeah.
It's blue. Now it's green. I don't think so. Oh, that's funny. Why doesn't it do it? So it's interesting.
Now
Oh, there we go. I see. I had to change there's an intensity, and the intensity was low. I don't know why that.
The intensity was low.
I don't know what that means. Maybe initialization. So there it is. I'm going green and going blue, going
so
red.
we can do colors. We can put them on a timer.
Yeah. And it actually shows you in the app the color, right, as I change it. You see it changes in the center, so it kind of shows you what it's at.
Neat.
And then you can change the intensity. And you can make it less intense. So that's it. That's pretty much it. And then it looks like you can set up scenes. So we can say reading and leisure and soft and colorful. What's colorful? Let's see what the colorful scene is. What do you think? Is that cool?
That's neat.
Yeah,
So
that's
it
pretty
keeps
nice.
changing. Oh, interesting.
We can dazzle.
Oh, dazzling.
I don't know what dazzling is doing, but dazzling is doing something. It doesn't look like you can set up your own scene though. You can say gorgeous.
Well, it says edit.
Well, there's an edit, so let's see what edit does. Oh, I can edit a scene, but it didn't look like I could create a new one. Unless you give it a new name or something, maybe that's how it works. Which is different than the dimmer was like.
Yeah,
right?
interesting.
Yeah, it's interesting. But you can definitely set up your own system. You can set up how it flashes, the flash speed, the whole bit. So
Neat.
yeah, that's pretty cool.
All right, so where are we going to put this?
Well, what do you think? I labeled it kitchen.
I think we should put it in the kitchen.
So I didn't find it on the home screen. I don't know why it's not there. So let's go into home management and go at my home, and we'll go room management and kitchen. I have to actually explicitly move it to the kitchen. So add that. Now that's in the kitchen.
Okay.
So that was the problem there. And then save it away. All right. And now if we come back to the home screen, you see in the kitchen it says kitchen.
Kitchen
So
Smart
now
Light
where
Strip.
it's in the kitchen, and if I say all devices, I now have one in the kitchen,
And
right?
one in your office.
one in the office. And then this light strip, you just press it and it brings up its app. All right, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna pause for a second and go downstairs and put it in the kitchen?
Well,
Show
I
them
think
how
I've
it
got a
works?
good idea where we can put it.
Okay, let's do that. Awesome. Okay, we're gonna go off and install it and let's show you how it looks.
All right, so we've installed the strip lights here in the kitchen. We installed them under our island here, so it looks pretty neat where we can sit and we can have a little different color there. So they look pretty cool, and they're really easy to install. We managed to get 2 rows of strips in there, so we have a lot of color, and it's pretty cool. Alexa, turn off kitchen. And that's pretty cool, and we have them on a strobe, so they're rotating different colors. They're nice and bright. It looks pretty neat. And they're all paired up with Alexa, so I can turn them off now. Alexa, turn off kitchen strip light. Thanks for watching our video today. We've included more information about the product in the description box below. And while you're there, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And ring the bell so that you'll be informed the next time we post a video.
That's true, yeah. Don't forget to ring the bell too.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.